Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. I want to talk about the program you're going to make in Python to turn into me. And again, so we're just going to be building off of the program that we've been working with now for a few times. We're going to be adding two things to it. Shouldn't be hopefully too difficult for you. One is we're going to add a print statement that simply says what the third item on your list is or was. And then we're also going to add a print statement that tells exactly how many items are on the list. And think about that, someone sends you to the grocery store and you're like, how many items do I need to buy? And you've got to stop and count them up. Well, instead, Python can do that for us and give us the total number. All right, so I've got a program here. I'm just kind of show you what that finished product could look like. Okay, what did you get for Christmas? Well, I got socks. Did you get anything else? And I'm going to say nope. And again, remember from earlier, we've got that while loop in there that's looking specifically for a yes or no answer. I'm going to say yes. What did you get for Christmas? Shoes. What else did you get? All right, excuse me. Anything else? Yes. I got coal because I wasn't very good this year. Did you get anything else? We'll say yes. What did you get? How about I got a new shovel? You can never have too many shovels, right? Did you get anything else? Yes. What did you get? Let's say a keyboard. Okay. Did you get anything else? All right. I'm going to say no. I'm going to exit the while loop, and it's going to spit out to us a couple things. It's going to tell us how many items are on the list. Think about it in your head. Do you remember how many items? And then it's going to tell me what the third item on my list was. All right. So the third item was, let's see, socks, shoes, coal. So the third one was coal. Let's see what happens. Hey, dude, give me a straight answer. Well, let's say no. How about that's even better? All right, you got shoes, you got, socks, you got shoes, you got coal, you got a shovel, you got a keyboard. Wow, you got 5 presents. The third gift you got was coal. All right, so ultimately, this program, I'm kind of looking for these last 2 statements, that how many you got, and then like what the third item on the list was. Or you can do some other number there as long as you kind of tell me so that I know what I'm looking at. Okay, so there's a little example of what the finished product is going to look like. Probably won't take too long because you're just really kind of adding just a couple simple lines of code to it. When you're finished, be sure to give me the share link, and I can't wait to check it out. I'll talk to you guys later.